beans. Beans, beans, beans. Yum, I love beans. Hi, I'm Nika Waters, and welcome to Tasty Thursday. We're making a 3-bean salad because why not use all the beans? What you're after with the salad is color, texture, and flavor. That seems to be my watchword. Color, flavor, and texture. And you're going to pull that off with the beans that you are doing. Three things: color, texture, flavor. Oh, and it's 3-bean salad. That's so perfect. Amazing. The other thing that's great about this is you can make it ahead of time, and it tastes better the longer it sits. So you can do it with 3 different kinds of canned beans. If you don't have fresh beans, you're going to want something that adds some crunch. What you're going to do is you want to mix up the salad dressing before you prep the rest of the vegetables, because when you're doing that and you're going to put the onion in the bowl and put the salad dressing right on top of it, then it helps to mellow out the onion as you're going. Honey, a pretty decent sized tablespoon of honey with that. And then the thing... Yeah, I can take the top off and mix with that. There we go. Probably a ½ teaspoon salt. I pour in the salad dressing. I'm going to stir it up to try to dissolve the honey. You can use sugar if you want to. You could probably use maple syrup if you wanted. Kind of stems off, and I'm cutting them into sort of bite-sized pieces. If I decide I want more, I can totally do that. Beans. You could also use garbanzo beans. You could use pinto beans. You could use kidney beans. Kind of whatever you had, you totally could use. So let's open these up, drain them out, and then we'll add them in. Yes, I have not cooked the beans. They are going in straight. That adds the crunch that you want. I may wind up adding more beans than this to it. But what the vinegar will do, the vinegar will start breaking it down. It'll get nice and bright. They will be crunchy. If you prefer your beans less crunchy, then cook them a little bit. I don't. I like them just like this. So there you go. And then I'm going to add in these lovely beans. Look how gorgeous that is. So pretty, so easy. If you wanted to add more color to it, you could add a red pepper to it. You could add, I would not do a tomato. This is not a tomato kind of a thing. You could add red pepper if you wanted, but this actually will be delicious just as is. It will taste better after it sits for about probably 5-6 hours in the fridge if you have fridge space for it. I'm going to taste it right now. 3-bean salad. So easy, so delicious, so amazingly simple to do when you have just a few things on the boat. If you have something that's green and leafy like parsley or scallion greens or some other kind of leafy herb, you could throw it in here. If you wanted rosemary, put rosemary in there. This is one of these kinds of recipes that is endlessly customizable. Use whatever you have. Make it work. You're after crunch, you're after color, you're after texture, you're after flavor, always. And it's really nice to have something that's easy and simple to do. Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like. Tag a friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves beans and thinks that you can make ahead of time, and ways to use up those random cans that you might have in your pantry. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most spectacular week.
Just so you know, that is real bee honey directly from the beehives at William Robinson Ham's house. Thank you, William Robinson Ham.
If you don't have fresh green beans, you can do it with 3 different kind of You can do it with 3. Wow, that's impressive.